Mate, where's the best area to access the beach with a wheelchair? Excuse me. Yeah, I thought that was going to be a lot harder than that.
This one's spicy.
I'm going to take my pants off for sure.
Alright, stepping up. Walk the forward. Knees, not your back. Alright, great. Wow!
Yeah. Because they got holes in the bottom of it. Yeah. Fuck, that's cold. You gonna paddle?
Yeah.
Are you looking down? Yep, just pick the right now. Yep, I can hold the chair with my legs. Yep. One foot on. Yep.
My butt's so wet.
I know.
I'm heading home from Lake Tahoe. We're going to spend one night in an airport hotel and then we fly to Miami tomorrow. And I just had a meeting with a rec carer. He sounds cool, sounds active and fit, so he can lift me.
Doesn't seem confident swimming at the beach.
No. We were saying, oh, Miami doesn't have waves. Like, it's just like a lake pretty much. And he was like, oh, there's currents. And I was thinking,
There's big tides.
I'm like, Miami's nothing.
That's tiny.
And I said to him, do you reckon you could lift my fat ass? And he laughed. And I was like, good. That's a sense of humour. Or I was being serious. I can't believe that's been 2 years since their big fires. That's gone quick too. Getting close to San Fran. We're about 50 minutes to the airport hotel. We'll probably just get Uber Eats, resort our shit for our flight. I had an interview with the care. Oh, we already talked about that. I said he couldn't swim on camera.
Oh yeah, but you didn't talk about the actual care company.
Oh yeah, they seem really lovely. I'm a bit confused. I think my insurance, iCare, has signed contracts with them. So I have to have a carer for 8 hours of the day. I'm not allowed to have any less. So I don't know how that's gonna go. They'll probably just get sent home early. Like if Brad and I want to do stuff. 8 hours is a long time to spend time with someone.
Yeah, I fucking hate spending 8 hours with you.
We've been arguing. What is this?
Thakker.
Oh, clever. So the bridge doesn't collapse.
Yeah.
That's what it would be.
It'd be so. What, 1 million people trying to go.
Do you reckon there's going to be domestic tonight?
I think the last 2 nights you got a second room at the wrong place.
So here's what happens. I self-cath all night. Every hour I'm up peeing. I don't sleep well. I hardly ever sleep. I don't drug myself now, so I sleep a bit better now.
You sleep way better than you ever have.
Oh, way better than I ever have since the ketamine. But I'm still cathing a lot. And then that wakes Brad up. But then also he can't sleep when he's not in the same room as me. He wakes up and he's like, where is she? So I don't know what to do about that.
2 beds, same room, 2 beds.
2 beds, same room. We already worked that out. Brad's dream is to have room service, so it's an easy dream to fulfill. So he booked this room because it has 2 big beds. So then I don't wake Brad up tonight. I can't fit through this door to go shower.
It's not an accessible room.
It's not an accessible room, but the accessible rooms, they think we don't have family, friends or a partner, so they always have the smallest bed possible because they just think it's you sleeping in there.
We can make this work first.
Yeah. We're going to go look downstairs at the pool and I'll have a shower down at the pool if there is.
Rooms, fitness, pool, fitness, restaurant, vending.
This is a good gym.
Here you go. When I snore.
Will crash. Need to pee. I just decided I'm not going to shower. I'm just going to have a bed bath.
That's good 6 to 8 inches, maybe even more.
He knows a good 6 inches. And this is my week off. And I'm tired, actually. I'm not even going to start making excuses. I don't give a fuck if I can't get on here.
Yes, you do, because you want to go to bed.
I want to go to bed.
You're going to be right. Let me just lift you. Okay. Back up a bit more.
I need to say it properly.
Back it up, Terry.
It's because I wouldn't let you lift me into the shower and you wanted to show your biceps. Or... It's hot. Why is it so hot in here? Because I just touched your muscles. You ugly. I need to get used to being a pig while traveling. I'm used to showering and I feel gross. I feel gross. No, you. Alright, can I have some jammies and a warm wet rag? I wash myself with a rag on a stick. One more lift with all of this.
Maybe. Don't fucking jinx it. Level 2.
So yeah, that was a really intense pat down for me to go through there. I had to like lift up and she was like touching my ass.
I saw her like, I'm going to do this and then I'm going to go like this and then go down there.
She touched my ass 10 times.
What?
Yeah, put her hands down my pants.
I saw the other lady go, she's got something in her pants.
Yeah, and I said, that's my leg back. And she
I can show you.
And then she was like, yeah, okay, that's why she pulled me over there. And then she was like looking at my colostomy up close too. Crazy.
I get it, but someone's got to be a sick fuck to think to do all that shit to blow something up.
Exactly. That would be actually a really easy way to do it.
Yeah, maybe okay. Yeah, say that online. Say that on
not
TV.
San Fran.
Fuck. Nowhere in America.
Because she checked this.
Where are we at?
We're in Miami,
Oh,
bitch.
We made it.
Yay.
Who would have thought? Were you filming my butt?
No, but do you want me to?
If you want.
Oh, wow. Oh, we just got to our place where we're staying for a month, and what I booked is not what has turned out. They've removed a wall and made it into a studio. So I messaged Airbnb and I thought I would be like fighting with them to try and get a new place, but they're actually really good. They gave us our money back, which was $5,000, and then they gave us $1,000 voucher as well as 2 free nights. It worked out well, but because we're staying for so long, it's hard to find an Airbnb for 4 weeks. It's such a short notice, especially it's wheelchair accessible. We thought we were over moving all our shit everywhere, but we have 2 more moves. We found a hotel down the road, Trump Suites, and they have an ADA compliant room. So we booked that for 2 nights until we work out what we're going to do. We need to find somewhere that's got this view. It's stunning here, but because I have carers coming in and out, I want my own space. I can't just be in a studio. It's a lot. Let's pack.
We're nearly done.
Brad's got to take all this stuff up, and I'm going to scoot up quickly and meet them there. It's actually, this is why I chose Miami. I remember last time I was here that it's just a very flat city, good pavements.
That's a very slow one.
And it's making weird noises. $100 I get stuck in it at some point. Do you want to follow me around?
Yes, ma'am.
This is our room. We got it for $200 a night, so that's okay. It's my biggest pet peeve is I can never get on verandas, even in ADA compliant rooms.
ADA is the American Disabled Association specification or some shit.
American Disability Act. We can't touch this.
We can touch the
expensive.
Oh, I got a beer. I'm thirsty.
The bathrooms with ADA rooms, you actually have to ask for a rolling shower because they don't do that. You get a bathtub with a thing, but I have a special chair.
It's the same chair that Alison uses in a bathroom at home.
Yeah,
so
it's a bath.
No different.
Bath shower bench, so I can go over that. So that I travel with that. I learned how to travel with that like 5 years ago when I first came here. Should we go look at the pools and stuff now? Do you know the best thing? They might have an A&E. Let's go get food.
Where are we going first?
Should we just go check out the resort? Or how hungry are you?
I'm not that hungry.
You say that, but then you get starving. I don't think you realise how hungry you are.
I am. Chicken wings, chicken, onion, garlic, spices, herbs.
Yeah. We are going to Publix to get food for tonight and for a few days. Got to go home and shower. I'm so excited about that. And then we got to hop into bed and research places to live or to stay for a month.
Or a week
Since
or
we've
two.
been ripped off. My anger is building towards this Airbnb lady. Shower would have been shit anyway. We realise they don't have the same standards as Australia.
We're worried that the width of the doors
doorways.
everywhere is going to be small.
Yeah. Oh, these made me think of Sally.
What? Having like 1,400 of them.
I just found this pina colada mix. I actually don't drink. Well, I do drink. I just don't drink often. But tomorrow we've got to lay in the pool. I'm going to drink this. It's 12%, so I'll be a pest. Look at me. Sponsor us, whatever this is.
Sea to summit.
Sea to summit. Give us another one of these bags. When we travel, like the days that we're moving and stuff, I still find it really fun and interesting. Some people see it as like boring and long and stuff, but it's pretty funny. Like we got to speak to that Jamaican dude, that Argentinian lady.
Yeah, it's
and
good.
It was pretty wowing when we walked into this place.
Yeah. The problem is, it's only for 2 days at the moment.
Stay weak. Oh, this is beautiful. Trump sweets. Expensive.
So expensive.
So expensive. And everyone knows we don't belong here.
Woohoo, we
Oh.
fuck me drunk. Look at the size of them.
Yeah. He got a king size.
Yours is the same.
Is it? Yeah. Okay, I rate that place. We're easy people.
Wasn't dodgy looking.
No.
It's a gated community.
Yeah.
It's not super run down.
Yeah.
They've got vending machines with ice creams.
Yeah. This may be a new place. Maybe not. We haven't even seen inside.
Wonder what these places.
They look right up our alley.
Yeah, we could definitely sell coke out the front.
Brad's just gone to ask if they can use the pool hoist to get in, but apparently they're not working.
How was that?
Good. Well, I'm actually not cooked because we paid, what, $300 a night and I can't get into the pool. Do you reckon if we had our bath lift thing, it would do it?
Come over. It's the same plug.
Right, and what's this?
That's chewing tobacco.
Oh. Okay, well that was good. You did well lifting me up. I'm very proud of you. This is what we do at night. We have our own bed, our own snacks, A&E. To join me in my bed if he wants.
You're only saying that because there's video. If I walked over there, you'd be like, get out! Fuck off!
The dream. Look at this beautiful room.
Tried to fucking...
$7,000 a month. We can't afford this.
$7.5 grand US.
US.
For 25 days.
How do we get money?
$288 US a night.
How are you going to get money, Brad?
You've told me that I got to edit. But I thought that's what Coach was for. Come on, Coach. Help us, Coach.
Couch. There's a lion at the front.
And a chandelier.
And a chandelier. We have been looking at different rentals all over the place. We have like 4 days. We've been rushing. So it's been a bit stressful. So we're going down to look at a boutique hotel. And they have studio rooms, ADA compliant, that are cheaper than renting. So we might just do that for the times we are in Miami instead of renting a whole place. And that saves organising a house. This is where we're looking. It's like full Miami. It has a pool and a happy hour. You need to drink heaps to get your money's worth, the happy hour. The good thing about renting a motel is we don't need a bank account. We don't need to set up electricity. We don't need a Wi-Fi plan.
No.
We don't need
Someone comes and cleans.
a lease. Someone cleans every day.
We don't need to buy towels and sheets and cutlery and all that sort of shit.
We don't need to organise furniture arrival.
Yep, we can just rock up on Saturday.
Yeah. Then it's cheaper. If it wasn't cheaper, it would still be worth not having to do all that. as a wheelchair user, you don't know what showers you got to get in places. So it's really hard to upkeep your hair when you can't wash it. So I am going to cut it all off today.
I'm going to do it.
Brad says he's going to do it.
You cut my hair, I get to cut your hair.
A year ago, I cut my hair before a surgery because I lose so much blood in my syrinx surgeries that gets caught in my hair. And then I'm like usually in ICU for like a month and sometimes on a life support. So I cut my hair in the hospital bathroom just before the surgery, and the nurse thought I was clinically insane because she came in, there was just hair everywhere and my hair was like this short. But it was better than having long hair with 7 liters of blood in it. And now I'm cutting it because I am too busy and having too much fun to look after it properly and to style it. That's great. I bought proper scissors. Well, I didn't. I wanted to just use regular scissors. But Brad went and bought real scissors. Why in the bathroom?
Because there's going to be so much hair.
I thought it'd be easier just to flip it over the balcony.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how they do it. They hold the scissors and a comb and do this.
Yeah. You watch this.
Yeah.
Stuff in the eyeball. 5-star Yelp review. Do you mean do your hair now?
This is the bit that gets in my face. So you're just going to just do that so when it falls underneath my hat, it doesn't stick right out.
Alright. Do you want it straight or like follow what they did? It looks like blunt at the moment, like a blunt cut. Yeah, that's perfect. That's heaps better than I thought.
You look really good.
Do I?
Yeah.
Thank you. We are going to go buy a computer. We've been trying to learn how to edit stuff. We've taken so much footage, but we haven't edited any of it. And I want to put stuff on my Instagram because I like to look back on it when I'm unwell and stuff. So we're going to go get a computer, try and find good Mexican to eat. Brad just asked when were we going to start smoking cigars.
I bought a Zippo lighter because I think they're cool. So let's go.
What was it?
62. 110.
Perfect.
Check your brakes.
Oh.
We made a traction.
I'm stuck in here.
You can reverse out.
Do you trust me doing that? There we go.
That's probably the best meal we've had here that I think
In America.
in America.
Yeah. They were the loveliest people we've met in America. What?
Come turn around.
Ended up buying a Surface Pro. Yeah. Brad's just gone to the bathroom. We're just waiting for our Uber. We just Uber around here. It's probably cheaper to Uber in the city than it is to own a car.